Hi students, so welcome to our physics class now. In this class we are going to learn about a small topic in electric charges and fields in intermediate second year physics, class 12 physics, important topic. So to understand the most important 4 marks topics, what about an electric dipole and also what about electric dipole moment. So these two topics are most useful in the 4 marks topics of in this chapter. So now what about electric dipole? So electric dipole is nothing but a pair of equal and opposite point charges. Those are minus q and plus q. So which are separated by a small distance. This small distance is a vector distance is called electric dipole. So a pair of equal and opposite point charges. That means the charge of these two are equal in magnitude but opposite. That means one is negative, another one is positive. So you can see this one in the figure. So minus q and plus q. So both are separated by a small distance 2a. So exactly in the mid of 2a there is a point O which is called center of the dipole. So center of the dipole to plus q, the distance is a. Center of the dipole to minus q, the distance is a. So the distance from minus q to plus q is 2a. This is called dipole length. So dipole length. So what is the distance between 2 point charges is called electric dipole length, denoted by 2a. The midpoint of dipole length is called center of the dipole. Center of the dipole. Now what about electric dipole moment, students? So once again, what is electric dipole? A pair of equal and opposite point charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipole. This distance is called dipole length, and midpoint of the dipole is called center of the dipole. You can see this one in the figure clearly. So from the top to electric dipole, from the top to here, students. So now what about electric dipole moment? Electric dipole moment is the product of magnitude of one of the 2 point charges. The product of one of the 2 point charges. That means minus q or plus q. Magnitude means always positive. And dipole length 2a is called electric dipole moment. So the product of magnitude of either charges. The product of magnitude of either charges or one of the 2 point charges, and the dipole length is called electric dipole moment. So now it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. So electric dipole moment is denoted by P. It is a vector, so you can write this one as a P bar. Its direction is always from minus q to plus q. So you can see its direction in the figure. So this is from minus q to plus q. This is the direction of electric dipole moment. Minus q to plus q, it is a vector. So now the magnitude of dipole moment is written as, from the definition, product of one of the 2 point charges and dipole length. So P equal to Q into A. Product means into. So magnitude of one of the two charges, that is Q, and dipole length is 2A. P equal to 2A. So SI unit of electric dipole moment is coulomb meter. C means coulomb, M means meter. Its dimensional formula, students, you can see L power 1, T power 1, A power 1. So its dimensional formula can be derived from the dimensional formula of charge Q and dipole length 2a. So charge dimensional formula you can see. So charge dimensional formula. So you know electric current I is equals to Q by T, then Q is equals to I into T by the cross multiplication. So dimension of I is capital A, dimension of time is capital T. AT, that is A power 1, T power 1, and dimension of 2a, that is length, is L power 1. So these two combined, you can get the dimensional formula of dimensional formula of electric dipole moment, L power 1, T power 1, A power 1. So that's all, students. So these two are basic concepts useful in electric charges and fields. So once again you can see from top to bottom. So that's all, students. Thank you.